Welcome everyone to Prepared Envy, and me here at this channel. I help you guys stay prepared in any situation or scenario that you might find yourself in, and part of that is gear. And in today's video we have this piece of equipment that can hopefully help you do that and stay prepared. This is going to be the Wuben X1 Pro. Now this light I just received from Wuben. They did send this out to me, but I asked for it because I saw this and I wanted to test this out because I thought this would be a good fit for my channel, and they were gracious enough to send this out for me and my audience so that you guys could get a look at it. This is a fairly new flashlight. This is going to be the upgrade to the Falcon X1. So I got it in white. That white color is pretty nice, and actually real quick, we're just going to let everyone take a look at this light. All aluminum body. That's the top. And this light does get hot. There's the side. Each side's going to have the ports for the cooling fan. The fan's going to be in there. So because this does have a fan, it is not fully waterproof, but it is water resistant. IP65, I do believe. Got that right here. 4 clicks will lock it. Okay. There's the battery information. There's your bulbs. Spot and flood. And you can run one or the other or both at the same time. And real quick, 30 seconds just to show you guys what actually comes in the box. So we got the light right here. Take this out. Your direction manual, very clear, very legible. Multiple languages, take that out. Okay, here we've got your accessories. Okay, this is going to be your lanyard, and it's actually very different than any lanyard I've seen. Quite nice, actually. Okay, next, this thing's kind of cool. They include, I guess for the people that are going to be having this every day, you actually get a little holster for it. So, yeah, pop your light in there like that. Just like so. Velcro down, stays nice and tight on your belt. So that's a cool little feature to include for this thing. And that is all that's in the box. Next, now we are going to take this thing outside and let you see at nighttime, of course, but real quick, let's just go over the features. So starting on this side for the switch, this is going to be your spotlight mode. And then if you click it all the way over, that is your flood. And in the middle runs both at the same time. And if you can hear that fan. Okay, so when it's on high mode, that fan is running. This light does have memory. Whatever brightness you were using last, it's going to be that when you click it back on. So you just hold the button to cycle through the different sections. Or if you want instant turbo, double click and it gets hot. Okay, triple tap for strobe, 4 times to lock it, and then 5 clicks will actually control the fan. It will let the fan be able to be on or off. So now we're going to move into the charging and battery of this light. So right here you have a little rubber piece that exposes a Type-C port. This is how you charge it, and this is the input and output for the charging. They put it right on the side. So now, one of the cool things about this light is a power bank as well. And you don't have to hold a button or do anything different. All you do is take whatever device you're wanting to charge, plug one end into here and one end into the device, and it will automatically read that and charge. Coming down here, the typical Wuben battery door. This is one of my favorite things on these lights. It's so simple. You can lock it to where nothing happens, or you can unlock it and then pop your door open. Got your rubber seal in there. Very strong door, very good hinge, and very gratifying. As far as the battery goes, you have 2 cells in here. And they are the 21700s. So you can essentially run this light indefinitely you just grab you a bundle pack of these on Amazon or directly from their website. I think if you want the Wuben brand, you got to go directly with their website. I tried to get some on Amazon, couldn't find them, but if you can find this type of battery, get you a couple of these and you can just swap them out when the light dies. So overall, this light is very well built. It's a bit heavy, but still it's about the size of your hand. But considering what you get for this and what this light does, that size right there, this light's going to be more geared towards cyclists because it does have a mount back here that you can get to go on some sort of handlebar or bike or whatever. Outdoor enthusiasts, hikers, search and rescue, stuff like that, where you're going to need that really massive amount of light for an extended period of time, because you could run this thing completely dead, be done, pop 2 batteries in, and get back to it. So if you were in some type of field work where you needed light constantly, you could have this light plus, you know, an array of 10 batteries, and you could just keep going. So like search and rescue type stuff, that would be great. And you could take this and mount it on any vehicle. So this thing's very well built. It's very nice. But what we really care about is how it performs at nighttime. So that's where we're going to head right now. Okay, guys, so before we go test the distance, I wanted to show you what this light looked like up close at a distance that most people would carry it. And we're probably about 30 feet away from this fence. Now, I'm just going to show it with both lights on. So this is the strobe and spot on at the same time, shining up against this fence. And this is the lowest possible mode. Now we're just going to go through. There's the next step up. There's 4 total changes. There's the next step up. And then on top of that, there is the turbo. And there's the highest setting by just holding the button. Massive amount of light. Absolutely massive. All right, now let's go to turbo. Good night. Yeah, this truly does seem like it's 13,000 lumens. And just to show you, we'll go to spot. There's just the spot on turbo. And that's the flood on turbo, which is amazing. And then back to both. Now let's go test the distance of this thing and let you see it in a wider field. And we're going to start on the low modes and then go to the high. I'll let you see the strobe and then we'll close out. Okay. Let's turn the light off. Okay. Here is going to be the lowest possible mode. Okay, now to switch modes, you're going to hold the power button. Okay, there's the next step up. Okay, and we're doing this on flood to start. Okay, next mode. Hold it one more time. That is the highest mode other than turbo. So we'll go through all of them. Now let's go to turbo. And that is the turbo setting in. Man, that's crazy. It lights up this entire yard. All right, now let's go to spot. Okay, go back down to low. This is the low mode for spot. One up. One up. And that is the highest mode. Now let's go to turbo. Okay. Now we're going to switch to both lamps at once. Okay. This is going to be both strobe and flood at once on low mode. Next step up. Okay, that's your highest setting. Now let's do the maximum potential of this light. Turbo with both on. Wow. Literally lights up the entire yard. And the fan has now kicked on. Yeah, I'm going to walk out here and let you guys see. All right, real quick, we're going to let you see the strobe in 3, 2, 1. And then if you triple tap again, it turns it into a beacon. Triple tap again, and it goes back to strobe. Okay, so that is all the modes for this light. Now we're going to head out to close, and I'll tell you how you can get one for yourself. All right, guys, that is going to wrap up this video on the Wuben X1 Pro. Thank you for staying till the end to watch this video. Thanks to Wuben for sending this out to the channel so we could check this out together. Hope you enjoyed everything. Now, if you want to purchase one of these lights, I have a link conveniently placed in the description below. Just click see more. You can use that link and it'll take you right to Amazon if you want to purchase this. And it gives me a little bit of a commission, so that helps the channel out greatly. And I really appreciate you guys using that link. Also, just letting you know, I've got another channel that I'll put in the description below if you like the more explosive side of this kind of content. Starting that channel from scratch, so you can check that out if you'd like. Also, if you like the content that's on this channel, click here, or just go to the channel and check all the videos out. I appreciate that as well. Hope you guys enjoy this. And always remember, prepare for the kingdom, but be ready for this world. Stay prepared, stay connected, stay loving one another. I'm out.